just playing. Okay, that's not playing. Break it. Stop. Man. Sorry, Black Kit. It's Bird Kit. Bird. Oh, sorry, Bird Kit. It's kind of funny how some of the kids don't even know their names. Hey! RockClan, what's going on? What's that noise? Oh, that's just the It'll be fine. There's too many trees. Alright, if you say so. I'm gonna go hunting before the storm starts. We're gonna starve to death if we don't have any prey. Okay, good luck, Orange Fang. Orange Fang will be fine, right? Of course. Alright, you guys can go in here. So, what are we gonna do? Be in our clan? Our protected boundary clan, or whatever you call it. I wish that we had a normal camp. We only have a small few dens. Not even warriors get their own den. Plus, the warrior den isn't even protected from cats. There's not even a roof. What are we gonna do? I don't know. The only thing we could really do is try and survive. Right. Is that a dog? It's so small. I guess it's dead now. Ew, you're keeping your dog for prey? What's wrong with that? Like Orange Fang said, we'll starve to death if we don't get anything. I just like to say my medicine den isn't even tall enough for me to put my own head in. I can't even sleep. It's so small. I'm sorry I wasn't good at making camps then. This wasn't even a camp until we took all the moss we could and formed building dens out of it. It's a wolf! Hide the kids now! Oh no! Oh no! She was bit by the wolf. Oh no! Are you okay? Of course she's not okay. We need leaves. Get something. Moss. Moss. Get moss. thing. I can't do it. I can't. It's gonna be okay, don't worry. Guys, what is it? What's going on? Orange thing, speak! I'll see you in StarClan. What? Are you okay? Were you attacked? Orange thing! Where's Ray? Orange thing? What is going on?